cash and confetti, $100,000. Hello. Hello, folks.
All right.
I'm Jim.
Actual retail prices.
I knew you were gonna do that.
Yeah.
818.
Oh, come on! Now J3 is on the board.
Zach and Ethan were was a little over. I don't know how much dollars that was.
Oh wait,
But
Remy's
850
playing.
and
We're gonna
851
pizza
did.
place.
What are we gonna play up?
Oh,
There it is,
check
folks.
out!
Let's get Chef and Noah and watch this.
Yeah.
I'm gonna
Well,
record
Noah's
Daisy.
online.
I'm gonna
Oh
record
my goodness. We're about to see it.
Hold on. Wait on it.
So Charles, will you describe the items after these things finish popping up?
So yeah, this stream does count for the record if he breaks the register too.
That's
Yeah.
right. So let's remind everybody what the items were. We had Daisy's. What's the second item?
Wink hair clodbuster.
Okay, and the other three.
Tasty cake pie. Jif creamy peanut butter and snort stop fast tap.
Let's go with the second item.
This one?
Yes.
How many?
Well, for the first time, we're going to say, for my stream, for the first time, I'm going to say 99!
You fool!
Fool!
The question is,
That went down the 18.
the
Oh
question is,
god!
what's the most expensive?
Wow.
It was that last item.
Sandberg know what to do.
It was that last item that was the most expensive.